Hello! In this video tutorial, we're going to be looking at dynamic effects in ESA Pro 2. We're only going to be looking at the effects available in the Selections tab in this tutorial. The next tutorial will focus on mappings and the effect options available there. ESA Pro 2 comes with several pre-programmed effects that you can manipulate to suit the needs of your particular project. To begin programming dynamic effects, simply drag and drop the desired effect upon your chosen selection of fixtures. Your effect block will now appear on the master timeline, and you'll have your effect settings appear on the right side of the screen. You can play your effect using controls on the master timeline or by using the playback tools at the top of effect settings. On the right hand side, you can change which selection the effect is targeting. The duration parameter here dictates how fast the effect plays. Dynamic effects work on a loop. If we increase the duration of the loop, our effect will play slower. If we decrease the duration, our effect will play faster. Once you set your desired duration, the following pop-up will appear asking if you wish to apply the new duration to this block. Typically, we recommend pressing yes. This means as one loop ends and another begins, the transition will be seamless. Below duration, you have the color palette the effect is using. Each effect, except the Knight Rider effect, can have up to 10 different colors in its palette. If you wish to add an extra color slot or remove a color slot, use the plus and minus buttons. By clicking on a color, the color picker will be called up, allowing you to edit the color using pre-selected colors, sliders, DMX values, and giving you the option to enable and disable extra color channels. These effects can also be made to work with single channel or white only fixtures using the Grayscale checkbox. In order for these to work correctly, you need to patch a color light with a single white channel instead of a single channel fixture. You can then check the Grayscale box and the effect will work with your single channel or white only fixtures. The Transform tool allows you to enable or disable vertical symmetry for the chosen effect. The parameters that appear next will depend on the effect you have selected. Let's have a look at the parameters for a few of the effects. For the rainbow effect, you can control the width of the colors all the way from one color to one fixture to all fixtures playing the same color. Angle will change the effect angle, allowing you to rotate it from 0 degrees through to 360 degrees. Gradient changes whether the effect transitions very smoothly from color to color when set to 100, or is a hard change when set to 0. The Knight Rider effect is the ESA Pro 2 Chaser effect, and has a few parameters and options unique to it. Unlike other effects, you can only have 5 colors in your palette. The one-way only checkbox dictates if your chase will start again when it reaches the last fixture in your selection, or starts playing in reverse. When enabled, the Go Outside parameter will simulate a fixture beyond your selection, giving the impression that your effect has disappeared before starting again. Sparkle is an effect to make multiple lights sparkle in a random order. You have 3 controls for this effect. Sparkle number controls how many sparkles are happening at once. Sparkle lifespan controls how long the sparkle lasts, and sparkle width controls how many fixtures each sparkle will affect. Burst, Plasma, Sweep, Random Fill, and Perlin all have their own parameters which we haven't covered here, so I recommend experimenting with all of the effects and tools available to you. Thank you for watching this ESA Pro 2 tutorial. Why not check out the tutorial coming up next?